If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Elements has several useful tools that allow you to paint lines and color areas of the images and layers in an Elements file. You can use the Brush tool and the Pencil tool to paint and draw pixels in an image. You tend to use the Brush tool to create softer strokes in an image. The Pencil tool creates hard-edged lines. You can alter these settings by changing the tool's options in the Tool Options bar. Also, you can apply the airbrush effect to your brush tool to apply color in a spray effect if desired. There are also other tools that you can use to create pixel color changes in an image. You will look at using these tools in upcoming lessons. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.